Hello, in this video, we are going to look at how to calculate statistics from large discrete data. So usually large discrete data is organized in frequency tables like this one here. So here is an example. We have example 1. Make sure that you watch this video until the end as we look at example 2. So the table below shows the number of children in 72 families. Okay, so n here already, n is 72. So as you read such information, you need to determine n, the value of n. Okay, so this is a table. You have number of children, this, you have the frequency, that, okay? Now they are saying find the mode. The mode, if you have not watched the first video, the first lesson on this, please watch it by clicking on the link that is showing on the top right corner right now. Okay, so the mode, we said the mode is the most appearing score or the most frequent. Okay, so we have number of children here in 72 families. Those families that had one child, there were 8. Those that had two children, there were 26. Those that had 3 children, there were 20. 4 children were 9. 5 children were 4. And 6 children were 5. Then they're saying the mode. So you look at the highest frequency first. So you have here on the frequency of 8, 26, 20, and yeah. So you can see that 26 is the highest frequency. So meaning the mode is 2 children because there were a lot of families. There were a lot of families that had 2 children than any other family. Okay, so A, the mode is 2 children, the most frequent, or the number of children with the highest frequency. Then B, they want you to find the median. So here you need to pay attention on the median. So the median, when you are given such a question in a frequency table, you have to know that the median is given by this expression n plus 1 over 2. N is 72. So we are looking at 72 families, so we have 72 plus 1 over 2, 73 over 2, which gives 36.5. Okay, 36.5. Now what does this mean? It means that, okay, so this is not a median. So here what it means is that the median will lie or is lying between 36th score and the 37th score or the 37th value. So this is where the median is lying. So now after you've established this, you start adding now until you reach 36 and 37. Okay, so you are going to have, so in other words, we are saying 8 plus 26 is 34, and 34 is not up to that, so we are going to say we'll add another 20, which gives 54. So you can see that this 20 is coming from here. Okay, is coming from here. And you can also notice that the 36th and the 37th is being swallowed here, is being swallowed here. Both of these numbers are being swallowed up here. Okay, so because they are being swallowed up here, you pick the number of children that are corresponding to this number here. Okay, so you are now going to conclude and say, therefore, the median is 3 children. Okay, that was the middle value. If you want, like in the previous video, you can see that you have 8 ones, 26 twos, 23s. If you want, you can write 8 ones, arrange them from smallest to biggest, like 8 ones, 26 twos, 23s, and so on, and then start cancelling. But doing that, this will consume a lot of time because you have a lot of data. Okay, so to avoid that, we just do this. All right, hope that's clear. Now we can look at the mean. Okay, we'll do the mean from here. The mean is so C mean. The mean is actually the sum of all the observation divided by n. Okay, so in this case, because we know that there are 8 ones, okay, there are 8 ones and 26 twos and so on. What we are going to do is we are going to say 1 times 8 plus this plus that, until we finish everything for us to find the total. So we have 1 times 8 plus 2 times 26 plus 3 times 20 plus 4 times 9 plus 5 times 4 plus 6 times 5. Then everything is being divided by n. N is 72. So 72. Okay, when you add the top, when you multiply and add the top part, you have 206 over 72. 206 divided by 72 is 2.861. Okay, now remember, these are children, and children, you cannot write a child as a decimal. These are real objects. So with real objects, we are going to approximate and say, therefore, the mean is 3 children. Okay, so the mean is 3 children.